Hi YouTube, this is Crystal Dragonfly here. You're not going to see my face on camera, but you'll see my hands, and what we're going to be doing today is making my take on element oil. We're going to start off with earth. We're just going to get right into it. Alright, first off I did was I took my bottles, and they're been cleansed and concentrated and everything. But I put the earth sign on it. I don't know if you can see it. Okay. I'm going to show you what I put in my bottles. I'm not going to actually show you my spell words, my words and stuff, but I'm going to show you how the base is. You know, you guys can put your intent, how you want to do it. I'm going to be putting my intent in with everything, but you know what I mean. This is kind of the base. Alright, let's get started. Alright, earth. We're going to do, for me, earth of course is your salting, your salt, which is in here. I know ground. I went outside right before this underneath my special willow tree and asked permission and got some. I'll put that in. I have a piece of my oak tree. It's a little piece, you don't need much bark, because for me earth is strength, and there isn't anything stronger than the oak tree. Okay. Cotton is from the earth, so I got some cotton. Put that in there. I gotta get up on my knees. Sorry, guys. Alright, next we've got, I collected for anthill dirt. I'm putting in for earth because, for one, where did it come from? It came from down below. So I thought that would be really good to put in with the spell. Another thing, guys, you can use anthill dirt for is on to make your spells go faster, because ants are so fast and they're extremely strong, so for extra boost in strength too. That's another reason why I'm using it. Let's see here. For my I'm putting a peridot. I almost said pediat. However you want to say it, guys, peridot in there, and I'm also putting a smoky quartz, because for me, of course any of the quartz really go in it, but for me that works for earth. I'm putting in a pinch, a little bit of comfrey. I said there's a little bit of comfrey. I have this on my property that I collect. Great herb. Next one, I'm going to put in some patchouli. I'm going to do this two ways. I'm going to put it in the actual plant. And I'm also putting in the essential oil. Okay, and I'm putting in, and the last thing I'm going to be putting in is, it was funny because today when I went up to collect some of my stuff, I was talking, and when I went over to get a piece of the oak bark, there was a locust shell. And this is before they come out with wings. So this, he came out from the ground for, depending on the type, I think it's 7 to 13 to 30 years. I can't be sure. There's different ones like the locust, the passate, the blah blah blah. I can't even talk. Different ones. So minimum, least amount is 7 years. And how can this is no more that, I mean, how can you be any more earth to put that in there? And you know, the spirits led me right to it when I went and got my oak. So we're gonna put him in there. He's gonna get a little crunched up, unfortunately, but I think that's what we need. And then I am putting a clear quartz in because clear quartz amplifies everything with some crystals. Now I'm going to put in my oil. Okay, so this with oil, it depends on what oil you want to use. You use olive oil, avocado, coconuts, vegetable, and you can use anything you want. Just give me 1 second, let me fill this up. I'm not going to go all the way to the top, but I may end up adding some more later. Like I said, I'm going to put this on there. I'm going to, one thing I am going to do with this one for earth is I'm going to go bury it. Yeah, make sure it sticks up because I got this type of lid on. But bury it in the earth for this moon cycle. So it will really have the earth's, ooh, I'm like having brain fart, guys. The earth's essence and its spirit. Everything I'm putting in it's for the earth. Like I said, I'm not done. I'm going to do some more, put some more energy and stuff into it, but not on camera. But that's the earth one. And like I said, I'm going to, after everything's done, I'm going to go bury it for this moon cycle. So there's the earth. Let's move on to air, which is my element. So air on there. This one I decided to, of course, with air for me. Sorry, my feet keep falling asleep. Air is feathers, so I got this feather I've had for a while. This one I found today, just out looking about, and this one also I found. Get it fit in there. No? Okay, now I went out and collected spider nests. This was a lot, but because what is air? It's in the spider webs. You know, it's blowing in the spider webs. So I got that. I also am doing this is actually a skeeter eater is what we call them. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Kinda. Anyways, I was looking for a winged bug to put in, one that flies, and these suckers fly. It was already dead, so, you know, the guys, of course, sent me in the right area, and I got me a little winged bug. I was so happy about. Okay. And I'm doing a dandelion fluff. I have all kinds of them in here. You can see that. So we're going to do one dandelion fluff in there. Maybe. Kinda hard to get in there. Sorry guys, my knees are just hurting horrible today. Next we're gonna put a leaf. Obviously I'm not gonna crump up this whole thing, but air blows leaves all season long. They're dancing with them all season long. And while I'm out today, they blew this one off and landed literally right in front of me. So I'm going to put a piece of the leaf that they decided to bestow on me. Bestow on me, excuse me. I'll keep the rest of that for something else. I'm going to go with frankincense. 2 ways. I'm going to actually go with the, I don't want that big of a piece. A little piece of frankincense to put in. And I'm also going to put in the frankincense essential oils. A double whammy. I'm doing, for me, I know, a lot of them say for stones, amethyst, sapphire, things like that. For me, it's citrine. Citrine is, for me, the, because it's clear but sunny. I don't know, just air is citrine for me. Feel like what stone is for you, feels for you. This lavender I'm putting in some, I know I said I'm allergic to lavender, but this one that I've got a package of, as long as I don't, is the, where it's like in a smoke type of flavor. Now this, like the actual petals here, I can rub them right in my eyes and they don't bother me. But if it's like in a smoke type of stuff, it just bothers me, so. I don't know. My body's weird, I guess. And then I've got, what else? Alright, and I'm also putting a clear quartz in that one to amplify. Them. And fill up. Hopefully I don't make a mess. Now on this one, you know, I'm burying the earth one for the quarter, or for the moon cycle. And air, I was debating what to do. I think I'm going to hang it outside my, I'm up here on the second floor in my house, so I think I'm going to hang it outside for the air to blow around in it. And I'm also going to light incense on it, buy it, and soak it in incense every day. So I'm going to do both. Alright. Like I said, that's, you know, I'm going to put, when I collected everything, I put my intent in. You know, when I'm putting them in there, I'm putting my intent. But I'm going to do some spell. Oh, shoot. See? And we're not done. I forgot. Another fun, goddess gave me, and spirits told me what I was looking for today, is a bird. It's actually a little dead bird that's outside my window up here. But I didn't notice it until today when I was looking outside. So it's a little claw. And all birds, of course, are for air. So how cool is that? A little claw. I'm going to put that in there. My guys are going to be powerful. Next is fire. Alright, fire, fire, go fire, fire, fire. I've got some cinnamon for fire. I like your cinnamon for me, you know, cinnamon, fire. I've got nettle, the plant, the nettle, you know, nettles. I collect this and I drink the nettle infusion, so I kept some out. Because for me, because nettles when they sting, it burns. It's a burning sensation and fire is hot. So, and I have some chili peppers. These are these little bitty suckers. I don't remember the name of them, but they're really hot. 1, 2, I'm gonna put 3 in. I don't want it so hot where if I touch it, it's gonna be hot to my skin or anoint myself if that's what I want to do. Alright, cayenne pepper. I'll sprinkle of cayenne in there. And cayenne pepper. Ginger root. A good sized piece of ginger root. And I know I got cinnamon sticks, but I'm going to double bang it with the cinnamon essential oil. Alright, and I'm also doing because fire, how can you get fire in a bottle? So this is what I'm doing. Taking a match. And it went out before I stuck it in, so I'm going to actually do another one. I want to actually get fire in this bottle. So, just like that. And then you're going to put the oil in. We're going to do, sorry, forgot my garnets. Maybe. The garnet top doesn't want to come off. But that's going to piss me off. It isn't humid today. There it goes. My garnets here. I'm going to put a couple of pieces in. I'm going to put 3. If I can hit the hole. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to put, of course, a clear quartz to amplify everything in there. And then we're going to put your stuff here. And that is still burning down in there because my oil just put it out. I'm getting, wish you guys, I don't know if you can see it or not, smoke coming out from my jar. How cool is that? Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, stuff in. Some good shakes. So there's fire. I'm ready to be done with it. Next we're going to go with water. Got my sign on. I think I'm going to probably put those in and do butter on it. We'll go from there. I need a drink, sorry. Alright, water. I've got some I got a little claw from a little crab. You know, little crawfishy things from the creek I've had for a while, so I'm going to put that in there for my water. Got a couple little shells I'm going to put in. Put those in. Missing the hole again. That's what she said. Willow is for water. And you know, I've talked about my special willow tree out front. She's getting big. She gave me a piece of bark today, a little piece of bark. And I have one of her beautiful leaves. We had to do cut a little bit off of her, keep her healthy. So she gave me one of her leaves. Moss, also for water. The moss that I've collected recently was actually at a lake, so I'm going to take some moss here and put in for my water. Aquamarine for some crystals. A little piece of the chips in it, and of course my clear quartz, and you know, you can't unfortunately do water and there would get rancid bad, you know, so I'm using coconut oil for the water because coconuts have coconut water, you know, so that's why I chose the coconut oil rather than the other types. Bear with me, I didn't bring my funnel up, so oh my goodness, I'm making a mess. Clean this up. I wanted to add tears in it, but I couldn't cry today, and I have problems with depression, so I didn't want to make myself think about bad things that get me to cry. But I was cutting onions for supper. I mean, I had those bad boys right up to my eye. I couldn't get myself to tear up, so maybe later. Okay, I'm gonna mix it up a little bit. I'm putting lotus blossom in for my oil. It's so potent, I'm just going to use a little stick to dip in. So, the lotus is just so strong, I don't care for a lot of it. Alright, so there's my water. Alright, so here we got it, guys. We have my earth, air, fire, and water. I'm probably going to, I already told you I'm going to put more intention and stuff in it. Like I said, the earth one I'm going to bury for this moon cycle. The air I'm going to hang it out here in the air, and I'm also going to put incense on it every day. Fire I'm going to sit in the sun every day for this moon cycle for that heat, that hotness. And water, I'm actually going to put this in a bowl of spring water that I got from the creek, Fresh Spring, and sit it in so it's sitting in water for this moon cycle. I hope you guys liked it. If it gave you some ideas of your own. I'm going to cutesy up the bottles probably when it's all said and done, after they're done percolating is what I call it. So I'll probably put like little gems on it, like for the animals, like a water dolphin maybe, or fish, and things like that. But that's after they're done percolating. Alright, well, have a blessed day, guys. Thanks for being with me. Bye!